Welcome, my dear student, in digital learning class of mathematics. As you all know, we are in chapter number 12 that is related to Heron's formula. This is related to the area of a triangle, or sometimes we can use it for the quadrilaterals also. So today I am going to tell you about this formula when the question is given in the form of perimeter. If simple question is given, when all sides are given to you like A, B, C, then simply we are calculating semi-perimeter power here, like A plus B plus C upon 2 and substituting the value here, semi-perimeter, then in semi-perimeter S minus A first side, then second side, then third side. In this way we need to subtract this formula. This is Heron formula, but today I am going to tell its application when directly perimeter is given to you. So let's see. Question is, find the area of a triangle whose two sides are given to us, like one is 18 centimeter, next is 10 centimeter. Third side is missing here, as well as one more detail is given to us, perimeter. This is very important word, perimeter. So perimeter of the triangle is 42 centimeter. So first you must know what do you mean by perimeter. Perimeter is the outer measurement of any closed figure. We can say the boundaries or measurement of the outer boundaries of a closed figure. So this is a closed figure triangle. It's if we are measuring these all from outside. So this is perimeter. So let us convert this question into the form of a picture. So after converting into the form of picture, let us consider this side is 10 centimeter. This is also given, it is 18 centimeter. This side is missing, as well as perimeter is given to us. So perimeter of this whole figure is 42. That means by adding all it becomes 42 centimeter. So first task that we need to do here, we need to write here A is equals to 18 centimeter, comma B is equals to 10 centimeter, but C is not given to us. So I am writing C is not given. We need to find out C. What is given to us? Perimeter. So I can write, we have given that perimeter is equals to 42 centimeter. Now what do you mean by perimeter? I told you if I am adding all these sides A, B, C, like A plus B plus C, so it must be equals to 42 centimeter. This is the meaning of perimeter. So you have now value of A, that is 18, value of B 10, value of C we don't know, then it is 42. These values are in centimeters. So let's see, we are interested to calculate C. If we are calculated C, so how to calculate C? Write to 42 centimeter, and if you are adding these two, so it becomes 28 centimeter. Next step, C is equals to 42 minus 28, and answer become 14 centimeter. C value we have now. So according to the formula, first we need to calculate semi-perimeter. So semi-perimeter is S, that is half of perimeter, simply. Or you can add this A plus B plus C, this is 42. Already we have sum of A plus B plus C by 2, that is 42 upon 2. Cancel out, you will get 21 centimeter. So now we have all values. A, B, C is clear. A value 18, B 10, C we have calculated 14. So now substitute the value, or we can write hence area of triangle. Area of given triangle is equals to S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C whole under root. So substitute the value now. After substituting value, I will come to know first value is 21, S value, S minus A, 21 minus A value is 18. Then next is 21 minus 10, 21 minus 14. So you after subtracting, what will get that we need to write 21 as such. 21 minus 18, 3, 21 minus 10, 11, 21 minus 14, 7. So simply you can see here, as I told you earlier also, we can do factorization. This 21 I can write 3 7 ja 21, or you can write 7 3 ja. 7 3 ja 21, 1 3 already you have, 11 as such, 7 as such. So the number which are repeated, like these two are pair, 3 is 2 time, as well as 7 is also 2 time here. You can check here, this and this is 7. So take out these both number outside the bracket, so it become 7 into 3 and under root 11. So it become 21 under root 11 centimeter square. So how I have calculated this last part? Because if 7 is 2 times, so I can write it in the way 7 raised to power 2. So it is cancel out. Similarly, 3 is also 2 times. So cancel out. It will remain 3. So let's see again what is the full question. Question is given to us in the form of perimeter and two sides are given to us. So we have converted it into the form of picture or a figure. After converting into figure, your task is to calculate third side. So sum of three sides is perimeter. So sum is equals to 42. Substitute the value. Find C from here, that is 14. After finding the third side, our next task is to calculate S, that is semi-perimeter. It is a half of perimeter. Perimeter is 42. So divide 42 by 2. 21 is your answer. So next task is how to find area. So substitute in this formula. That is S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. After calculation you will come to know answer is 21 under root 11 centimeter square. I hope my dear student it is clear to you. In the same way you can solve questions related to triangles. Thank you so much.